has a life, has a spirit, has a name.
You think the only people that are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you learn things you never knew, you never knew. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the newborn moon, or asked the grinning bobcat why he grins? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind?
From the hidden pine trails of the forest, go taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Come stroll in all the places all around you, and for once never wonder what they're worth.
Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the newborn moon, or let the eagle tell you where he's been? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? How high does the sycamore grow?
If you cut it down,
Then you'll never know. And you've never heard the wolf cry to the newborn moon, or wear the red or white or copper skin. We're made to sing with all the voices of the mountain, made to paint with all the colors of the wind, and made to paint with all